Want to keep your account safe from hackers? Here's how to create a strong password. Subscribe to Mr. Tutorial and learn every day. Black hat hackers, the bad guys, develop some malicious software. With such software, they can crack your password in seconds. That's why you should use difficult passwords that are impossible to guess. Rule number 1. You should create a long password. For example, in this website, I will show you how to create a strong password. I made the password length 20. Rule number 2. Never use your date of birth or something special for you to make it harder to guess. Rule number 3. Your password should include numbers. Rule number 4. Your password should include both uppercase and lowercase. Rule number 5. Your password should include symbols. Rule number 6. Never use same password everywhere. Rule number 7. Always keep your passwords in a safe place. I know your new password looks unreadable. Actually, that's the point. You can copy and paste it to a safe place. What are your best methods for protecting yourself from hackers? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more simple and effective tips. I'll see you in the next video.